To introduce you a 10,000 BPH halal chicken slaughterhouse built by our company. A chicken cage unloader machine will unload the chicken cage from the trucks, and it will be transported by a conveyor, which is made of 304 stainless steel. Workers will hang and shackle the chickens in the slaughtering bleeding rail. The bleeding rail is automatically running. The empty chicken cage will go to the sterilizing washer machine. In the slaughtering process, chicken will firstly go through the water stunner. After water stunner, the chicken will be transported through the automatic bleeding rail. Under the bleeding rail is the bleeding collection tank, which is also made of 304 stainless steel. The length can be customized according to your slaughter capacity. After bleeding, the chicken will go through the air agitation scalding machine, which is fully closed structure stainless steel body and heating water inside by steam. It can also blow air inside to assure the better effect of scalding. After scalding, chicken will go through the feather plucking machine. This is horizontal flat type whole chicken feather plucking machine. It can pluck chicken carcass and paws well and rapidly, which is popular in China. For overseas market, we usually adopt A-shaped chicken feather plucking machine. This worker is open the chicken neck and remove the chicken gizzard. After plucking feather, workers will clean the chicken offals and intestines. The edible offal will be transported by the belt conveyor to the offal processing room. Workers will sort out the offals from the belt conveyor in the processing room. Chicken gizzard will be peeled by a peeling machine, which is made of 304 stainless steel with high efficiency and label-free. Chicken gizzard oil will be cleaned by a drum-type washer machine. The whole chicken carcass will drop into the spiral chilling machine through an automatic carcass unloading device. The spiral machine is fully made of 304 stainless steel. The length of the tank and screw blades can be customized. A flake ice machine will produce and add ice into the pre-cooling machine to keep the water inside low temperature. The complete process is controlled by a PLC system. Here is the dewatering process. The dewatering rail line is fully automatic and fully stainless steel. It is used to air drying the chicken carcass. After dewatering, the chicken will go to the automatic chicken weighing and grading machine. We have plate type and belt type two types. It can weigh and sort different chicken carcass weight well and rapidly. Workers will pack the chickens into different crates with different weight and be transported to the blast freezer by mid-trolley. Thank you for watching.